Auntie, you're sleeping on your floor. You're disturbing me. Talk around this in this house. Don't try that again. I even thought they've come. Have come. So that is it. Don't try that again. Now tell me who has come. You're still talking. Then I'm enjoying this sleep. What is it? You're disturbing me. Is it? What happened again? You're disturbing me. Am I seeing this one? No. What is it? You're snoring. Is that snoring?